What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to make homemade grits in the microwave. Now, first thing you want to do is measure out on the package, say 1/4 cup of grits. So that's 1/4 cup is about right here. That's like 1/4. Add a little bit more if you want to. Alright. So you take that. If you want to use 1 cup, do this first. Don't put the water in first. Do this way first. Put the grits in first. Then that way the grits won't stick to the cup. So got that measured. That's about 1/4. Sometimes I add a little bit more. And then 1 cup of water. Pour that in. Alright. So it looks like that. And then we're gonna stick it in the microwave for 5 minutes. And I'll be back. Let it cook. Okay, grits are done. And this is how they look when they are done. Just like that. And what you do is add some butter to this. Just like that. Mix it in. And this is kind of soupy grits. You want them to be a little stiffer, you just add more. But that's some good eating right there. Add your salt. Gotta add salt. And I add pepper to mine. Salt and pepper. Salt and pepper's here. Stir it in. And bon appetit. That's grits in the microwave. Add each sausage. Jimmy Dean links. Sausage and grits. It's awesome. Peace. And then make you some sausage links to go with that. Sausage and grits. Perfect combination. Oh yeah, one more thing. For all you cheese lovers, throw some cheese in the grits. Stir it up nice. Real good.